To install a third-party SSL certificate using SWPanel, first we access our SWPanel. Go to Domains and SSL, install third-party SSL certificate. Enter the domain name and then paste the content of each file in its respective field. The content of the CRT file must be pasted in the CRT box of the certificate. We repeat the same process with the CA and key files. Next, we select the service on which the certificate will be installed, and finally we click on Install Now. We wait for the installation to finish and our service will already have a third-party SSL certificate installed.